All you gotta do is type, click, and boom, you get paid again and again. Now look, today's method isn't gonna make you a millionaire, but it's definitely an incredible way to make a little money on the side to save up for absolutely whatever you want. And the best part is that it requires very little effort. So you can definitely do this alongside whatever else you have going on. You don't need any skills or experience, and you don't need any fancy equipment. Just grab your laptop, check if your internet connection is working, and follow the simple instructions that I'll be breaking down for you step by step in this tutorial. If you like the sound of today's video, smash that like button and let's get right into it. And if you are looking for a long-term stream of income that can replace your job, just click the first link and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. The very first website you will need to head on over to is called designhill.com. And as the name suggests, and as you can already figure out by now, this is a place where you can design a variety of different things. You can design clothing like t-shirts, or you can design websites, logos, and so much more. By scrolling down a bit on their homepage here, you'll be able to see that this site is working with the likes of BBC, Deloitte, Microsoft, and so on. So they're working with some huge companies, and I'm mentioning this because it shows that this is a legit platform and that it will actually benefit us. Now, with that said, let me clarify this. You will not be designing anything on this platform. Of course, if you do happen to be creative and you have some decent design skills, using Design Hill yourself is most definitely an awesome idea. But 90% of you watching this don't have any design skills, which is why I'll show you how you can use this site to your advantage to get paid, but without designing anything. This is because we want to focus on one particular feature this site has to offer in order to make money online. And it has nothing to do with design, as you will soon see. And so let me now show you what you want to do when you come onto this site. I don't want to go over all of its features, since you guys can do that on your own if you so wish. What you want to do when you come on this site is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, and you will then want to find and click on Business Tools, which should be located here on the next page. This is what you will come across. You will be able to see all of these tools for business, and you will basically ignore all of these until you come across the section where it says Business Tools. And you now want to click on this arrow here 4 or 5 times until you see the slogan generator. And you will now want to click on it. And it's the slogan generator out of all the things that can actually make us some money online. The way this works is incredibly simple. You type a word in this box. You will then click Generate, and this will generate dozens and dozens of different slogans for you for 100% free, as you can see. And each and every one of these slogans can make you hundreds of dollars. And by the way, do keep in mind that what you type in this box depends highly on your customer. What your customer's business is all about, whether it's a restaurant of sorts, a gym perhaps, and so on. In any case, the only thing you now need to do is find a slogan that you feel is appropriate and click here so you can copy it. And that's it! It may not seem like it, but this tool is incredibly beneficial. It could take some people hours and hours of having to come up with different business slogans, but using this site that not many people really know about, you can get so many of them done for you in basically like 5 seconds or so. It does all of the hard work for you. And the only thing now missing is the customers. And I, of course, will show you 2 platforms where you can find them easily. The first one is called peopleperhour.com. For those who don't know about it, this is essentially a freelancing platform. You can work here as a freelancer, or you can come here as a customer and pay someone to do something for you. As some of you can already guess, we will not be paying anyone. We will instead want to work selling these slogans. And take a look at this now. This person selling writing slogans for money is charging $50 and has had nearly 600 reviews. Since not everyone leaves a review, it's safe to say we're talking about over 600 sales in total. That's like $30,000 made. So you can see just how much potential this has. But the benefits hardly stop there. The main reason I am on people per hour now and not some other platform is that the competition level is insanely low, but the demand is insanely high, as seen by the fact that there are literally less than 100 people offering to create slogans on this site. And by the number of reviews of this person here, this means that you can create a gig like some of these people on people per hour and get customers almost right away, which is not the case 99% of the time on freelancing sites because competition is really high. For example, on Fiverr, when I searched for people creating slogans, I found over 2,000 services. This just shows you how little competition you'll have to deal with, and this is a huge part of why people per hour is so good to use in this particular instance. The best part is that thanks to Design Hill, you don't have to do any work. Your customers will tell you what their business is about and what kinds of slogans they want. You will then, according to that info, type in a word in this box and click Generate. You will then literally copy and paste a slogan they prefer and send it over to them. That's like a minute's worth of work that will make you $50 just like that. In any case, what you'll have to do on people per hour when you come onto the site is click on the sign up button here so you can create your brand new account, and you will then proceed to create a gig like some of these people are here offering your services, and that's basically it. Now, the second platform you can use is called sloganslingers.com. This site, unlike people per hour, is not a freelancing platform. Instead, it's a website where you can participate in slogan contests. If you win the contest, you get paid. As simple as that. And I highly recommend you combine the use of this site with people per hour. In that way, you'll be able to reach far, far more people and, of course, ultimately make more money. To start working on this site, just click on Write Slogans right up here. You can now sign up via Google or Facebook, or you can do so through email, in which case you will need to enter in all of this info down below. Your email address, username, your full name, your password, which you will also need to confirm, and finally, you need to type in your PayPal email address before ticking this box and clicking on Create an Account below. So yes, if some of you were wondering, as you have just heard, this site does pay via PayPal indeed, which is great because it's money straight in the bank. And that is it for today's tutorial. I've shown you the plan, now it's up to you to take action. If you learned something new today, be sure to like this video, comment your thoughts and questions, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on another incredible money-making opportunity.